comment il est? It's Emmeline, and today I'm with Moon. She's gonna show me around, and now we're going to a waterfall, and just after we're going to see the elephants, so please enjoy with us. So we're now at the bottom of the waterfall, and we're gonna have to go all the way up. Je pense que ça casse ma figure, que mon pèse sa bête à terre, mais c'est pas grave. I think I'm gonna do well. Okay, first floor done. Let's do the second. So we just arrived at the second floor. We have two ways, but we're gonna go that way. So she just told me that, well, I can literally fall here. So we go up that way and we go down that way. Okay, we're done. So this is the view at the top, and this little adventure was perfect. Let's keep it perfect till the end.
Is Khao Soi, is northern Thai beach. So when people come to Chiang Mai, have to try Khao Soi.
ขอบคุณมากค่ะ ขอบคุณค่ะ ค่ะ บ๊ายบายค่ะ
So no touristic sign to come to here. I don't remember the name of the sanctuary. Oh, it's not a sanctuary, but I'll put the name just after.
Okay, have Papa. Oh, take a photo? But that's good.
Not sure. I can do like.
Good job.
Thank you.
She's talking with you.
She's joking.
Yeah. Up. She's talking.
Oh, talking.
Small one is sky. Sky is
DDD.
very good.
Very good. Oh, I know. Oh, look at this.
Need. Rain. That's good.
Bon Bon.
Yes.
Your hand up and put in the mouth.
Cái no.
Cái gì cái? Cái là cuốn không cái? Can do. Can do. Bác. You can take a cup. Got it, huh?
You're the funny one, right?
Well,
shower, ma'am.
you say. Con vuông đi. Người ta con vuông vuông đi. Thôi chút ạ. Before you leave, you can have this body. Yeah. You put for me. Oh, you buy it.
Again, please.
Oh. Ôi.
I think he like you.
Was that bamboo we were feeding them?
That was sugar cane.
Oh, sugar.
Sugar cane. Bamboo over there. Bamboo fruit. Bamboo fruit. Now they like that.
But that's
Okay, so the day is over. I'm exhausted. It was an amazing day. I had amazing adventure. The people were really smiling and I feel like I love my life right now. I love my life and I'm really happy about what I do. And I'm telling you goodbye and see you for next adventure. Bye bye.